Hey, hi, this is Rahul, and I'm here for the Metamask delegation hackathon submission. Let's get on to the problem statement now. The one-liner problem statement is you pay a hefty amount for the internet, which you don't use. So you actually don't buy internet. You buy a bundle, like a 3300 GB, unlimited data, a 30-day pack, when all you need was 2 hours. And have you heard about the prepaid users? Like the prepaid data packs punish short-term users. A day pack costs around 60 to 50 to 60 rupees, and a month pack costs around 400 to 600 rupees. So the math never favors someone who just need an hour. So as a result, you have unwanted amount of internet bandwidth. The amounts are higher for instant packs, let's say for a day or for 2 days or a week, and you have hefty amount for unwanted data packs. So yeah, uh, I'm introducing Wifix402. So it is simple and as straight as that. So you pay for what you use. So you pay for what internet use, how much internet you use. The interesting part is you make your all micro payments in USDC stablecoin. You don't need any native gas here, thanks to the one shot for this. And for the demo, you need a Wi-Fi. Like you have to pay for the Wi-Fi and then you get the internet, right? For demo, I just have an Mac Mini here, so I just connected my iPhone's internet to Mac Mini, and in Mac we have the option called enabled internet sharing. So if you enable that, this iPhone's internet is enabled as Wi-Fi via this Mac Mini. So what I did was, let's say a user comes and pay to this Wi-Fi, and the user's IP address will be whitelisted, and we have the access rules, the firewalls rules, and this allows when the user is in the session, and if the session is over, the user's IP address is blacklisted and he can't use the Wi-Fi. Like the user will be connected to the Wi-Fi, but he can't get the internet mode. So that's the mechanism for the demo here. And yeah, we're using Metamask X402 and 7710 for the delegation part, and for the payments part we are using X402 for the micro payments part. And we use one shot for the originally owned account is converted into temporary smart accounts. For that, one shot pays that in USDC, and also for the relayer for the stablecoin transaction. And yeah, we are mainnet live, and let's get on to the demo right now. You can see that I'm sharing my internet from my phone to this Mac Mini, where I've enabled the internet sharing on, the connections from iPhone, and the Wi-Fi is on. So it's actually giving up the Wi-Fi, and you can clearly see in another device that we have the Wi-Fi. So if we connect and go to the captive portal and then pay the required payments, we could get the internet. So this is the demo setup of my Wi-Fi X402. This is the capitative portal where we're gonna buy internet with our wallets. Now there will be two plans, one is fixed and one is top up. The fixed is as simple as that. You're gonna buy 1 hour for 0.01 micro payment, and the top up is the real game here, where it utilizes the Metamask delegation 402 and the one shot here. Now we're gonna buy 5-minute maximum internet of 0.0005 USDC cap. Now we get a clean UX wallet request with respect to the 7715 ERC 7715. We're gonna make read all the fields and then grant them. And the next step is we are gonna make ERC 7702 authorization, where yours wallet UA account is converted into smart account, but with the USDC with respect to the one shot, because it makes no ETH gas fee. And the next step is the 7710 grant permission. Now we're gonna make the final grant permission, delegate permission to it. Now your all delegation permissions are recorded here, and now we're gonna start the session. Now let's make a 10 seconds session here, and equivalent USDC is calculated here. And the final part is the settlement here, which is going to done with respect to the X402, and your whole part is bundled up and done with respect to the one shot relay here. And yeah, this is what the clean infra of Wi-Fi X402 here. And look how cool it is. Like, you did make a delegation permissions, your all things with respect to one and only USDC, and you didn't spend any ETH or anything here. This is all done with respect to the base mainnet. Yeah, the Metamask delegation manager, the on-chain transaction, and yeah, this is what Wi-Fi X402. Thank you.